Ferdowsi was. Correct option is both A and B. First woman to win the Nobel Prize was. Correct option is Madame Marie Curie Sklodowska. Florence Nightingale is associated with. Correct option is Crimean War. Food is cooked faster in a pressure cooker because. Correct option is due to high pressure the boiling point of water is raised. Fourth estate means. Correct option is the press. French Revolution took place during the reign of. Correct option is King Louis XVI. From 1858 up to about 1870, nearly all British politicians, authors blamed the Muslims for. Correct option is disloyalty. From the following choose the set in which names correct chronological order. Correct option is Youth Hunt, Kurt Waldheim, Trigwe Live. Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit was. Correct option is all are correct. Galileo was an Italian astronomer who. Correct option is all are correct. Gasoline is obtained from crude oil by the process of. Correct option is fractional distillation. German reunification occurred in. Correct option is 1990. Germany invaded Poland in. Correct option is 1939. Gibraltar is known as. Correct option is key to the Mediterranean. Great Wall of China having length of 1,500 miles long was completed in years. Correct option is 20. Guinea coast of Africa is. Correct option is Whiteman's grave. Guru Gobind Singh was. Correct option is all are correct. Harare is the capital city of. Correct option is Zimbabwe. Hard water does not lather well with soap because. Correct option is it contains carbonates of calcium and magnesium. Head office of UNESCO is located at. Correct option is Paris. Hingol Dam is situated in which province of Pakistan? Correct option is Baluchistan. How is the admission of any state as a member of the United Nations affected? Correct option is the admission of any state as member will be affected by a decision of the General Assembly on recommendation of the Security Council. How is United Nations membership acted? Correct option is the admission of any state as a member will be affected by a decision of the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. How many judges are there in the International Court of Justice? Correct option is 15. How many languages and dialects are spoken by people all over the world? Correct option is 6,000. How many nations signed the UN Charter when the organization was established? Correct option is 50. How many official working languages are recognized by the UNO? Correct option is 6. How many satellites, moons, does Saturn have? Correct option is 27. How many satellites, moons, of Saturn planet? Correct option is. Humanist philosophers taught that. Correct option is. People could lead moral lives while still concentrating on life in the world. If a body is taken from the earth to the moon. Correct option is. Its mass will remain the same but weight will be different. If the distance between the earth and the sun were twice what it is now, the gravitational force exerted on the earth by the sun would be. Correct option is 1/4 of what it is now. If two bodies, one heavy and one light, are acted upon by the same force for the same time, then both bodies acquire the. Correct option is same momentum. In 1916, the joint session of Muslim League and Indian National Congress was held at. Correct option is Lucknow. In 1917, Carey brothers suggested a plan of partition of India in the Conference of the Socialist International held in. Correct option is Stockholm. In 1943, Franklin D. Roosevelt, Winston Churchill and Joseph Stalin met at Tehran primarily. Correct option is to consider a common plan of action by the Allies' forces against the Axis powers. In 1945, 50 nations met to phrase succeeding generations from the scourge of war. This conference took place at. Correct option is San Francisco. In 1945, 50 nations met to phrase the basic succeeding generations from the scourge of war. This conference took place at. Correct option is San Francisco. In 1955, the Panchsheel Conference was held at. Correct option is Bandung, Indonesia. In an electrical circuit, a fuse is connected. Correct option is in the live wire. In Central Europe in the 17th and 18th centuries, the 30 Years' War. Correct option is strong monarchies prevailed. In connection with land reforms, the Punjab Tenancy Act was passed in. Correct option is 1887. In order to prevent the corrosion of iron pipes, they are often coated with a layer of zinc. This process is termed. Correct option is galvanization. In which month does the UN General Assembly usually meet every year? Correct option is September. In which of the following fields no Muslim has received a Nobel Prize so far? Correct option is physics. In which of the following years was the membership of the Security Council increased from 11 to 15 under Article 3? Correct option is 1965. In which year a resolution limiting the new membership of the General Assembly was adopted by the General Assembly? Correct option is 1960. In which year did European rulers capture Palestine from the Muslims in the Crusade War? Correct option is 1099 AD. In which year did Pakistan become a member of UNO? Correct option is 1947. In which year European rulers captured Palestine from the Muslims in Crusade War? Correct option is. In which year Mother Teresa was awarded Nobel Prize and for what? Correct option is 1979, peace. In which year the membership of the Security Council was increased from 11 to 15 under Article 3? Correct option is 1965. In which year was a resolution inviting for general peace adopted by the UN General Assembly? Correct option is 1960. In which year was the Nobel Foundation set up under the will of Alfred Bernhard Nobel? Correct option is 1901. India became a member of the United Nations in. Correct option is 1959. India Khilaf deputation visited England to put their views before Lloyd George in. Correct option is 1920. Interpol means. Correct option is International Crime Police Commission. Iron articles rust because of the formation of. Correct option is a mixture of ferrous and ferric hydroxide. It is easier to roll a barrel than to pull it because. Correct option is rolling friction is much less than sliding friction. It is sometimes observed that if boiling water or milk is poured into a glass tumbler, it cracks. This is due to. Correct option is boiling liquid exerting greater pressure. John F. Kennedy was. Correct option is all the statements are correct. Kanishka was. Correct option is all are correct. Kofi Annan was appointed as the Secretary General of UNO in the year. Correct option is 1997. Lack of what causes diabetes? Correct option is insulin. Lal Suhara National Park is located in. Correct option is Bahawalpur. Land of maple leaf is the nickname of dash. Correct option is Canada. Land of midnight sun is the name given to dash. Correct option is Norway. Laos is called the dash. Correct option is Land of Thousand Elephants. Largest area-wise desert of Pakistan is. Correct option is Cholistan. Laser is an acronym for light amplification by. Correct option is stimulated emission radiation. Laundry soap is. Correct option is a mixture of sodium salts of higher fatty acids of natural origin. Leonardo da Vinci. Correct option is all are correct. Les hommes de bonne volonté is the dash. Correct option is longest novel ever published. Liaquat Ali Khan presented the Objectives Resolution in the Constituent Assembly, which was passed on the 12th of March. Correct option is 1949. Light from the nearest star reaches the Earth in. Correct option is 4.3 years. Lime water contains. Correct option is calcium hydroxide. Lufthansa is the name of the airline of. Correct option is Germany. Magna Carta was signed by the King of England in. Correct option is 1215. Mass gas, formed from decaying organic matter and in coal mines, is. Correct option is methane. Martin Luther King was famous due to. Correct option is led a non-violent movement to obtain full civil rights for American Negroes and became a martyr for his cause. Mention the total number of articles in the Charter of UNO. Correct option is 111. Michael is a. Correct option is bad conductor of both heat and electricity. Michael Faraday discovered. Correct option is all. Most of the weather phenomena take place in the. Correct option is troposphere. Mountbatten came to India in March 1947 as. Correct option is Viceroy. Mushtaq Yousfi is famous for. Correct option is comedy. Name the first lady Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan. Correct option is Dr. Famida Mirza. Name the Muslim who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1994. Correct option is Yasser Arafat. Napoleon Bonaparte belonged to. Correct option is France. Nilgiri Hills are known as. Correct option is Blue Mountains. Nitrogen in air. Correct option is dilutes oxygen, which, otherwise, is very active in the pure form. Nobel Prize in Economics is known as. Correct option is Alfred Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences. NTS stands for. Correct option is National Testing Service. Objectives resolution was made a part of substantive provisions of the Constitution of Pakistan. Correct option is 8th Amendment. Of the following, the content of carbon is minimum in. Correct option is wrought iron. Of the UN agencies, which one fully aims at further economic specification development by encouraging productive private enterprise? Correct option is International Finance Corporation. Of the UN agencies, which one specifically aims at further economic development by encouraging productive private enterprise? Correct option is International Finance Corporation. Of the various agencies related to the United Nations, the one that has been in existence for the longest period is. Correct option is Universal Postal Union. On the day the sun is nearest to the earth is said to be in. Correct option is perihelion.